Good morning, and welcome to another episode of Adventure Photography. I'm TJ Waller, and this morning we're going to talk about how to take video with your phone. I've had people ask me, TJ, when I take my videos, I get these black bars on the side. How do I get rid of those black bars? So I take their phone and I rotate it. And I said, this is the way you need to start shooting before. If you start shooting like this, it's not going to work. You have to start shooting your video like this to get the full-framed, widescreen video that you're looking for. I understand that when the action happens real fast, your first inclination is to whip out your phone, turn on your camera, and hit that record button. And your phone's like this because this is the natural way you take pictures. But you have to have the clear frame of thought to rotate, because just remember, widescreen. Your TV, everything is now widescreen except for the older stuff. Now, if you're shooting for Instagram, if you're going to post this on Instagram, it's okay because Instagram uses the vertical format. And I don't know if anybody else does, but I know Instagram does. But YouTube and other places are always widescreen. If you're one that watches America's Funniest Videos, you'll see at the end of their, or even during the middle of the show, they'll say, send us your videos, but make sure that your phone is like this to where it's widescreen format. Because if not, then they have to take a still shot, spread it out over the 1080p, and then put your video in the middle of that. So what happens if you start your photo like this and then rotate it, is all you're going to get is the rotation of the video. It's not going to rotate the way you want it. It's just going to rotate. It's going to look funny like this. So what you want to do, and then when you rotate it back, it'll come back to the vertical thing. So what you want to do is, before you even hit the play button, you want to do this. Hit play button, and then you've got your videos. If you want to get closer, then you move closer. If you want to get more into the video, then you just move back. People have told me that they start their videos like this because you can get more up and down in your video. But then you're going to get the bars. So that's how you do it. It's just as simple as starting out your video in the horizontal position or the landscape position. And then you're good to go. Thanks for the question. And if this has been helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment. I always like to interact, and I answer every single one of them, so please comment. This has been another episode of Adventure Photography. Talk to y'all later.